Hi, today I'm going to be unboxing my Magical Earth box. This should be the Aquarius box for January. Thank you. Oh, Lord. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's our insert. There we go. And here's our horoscope stuff. Ooh. Wow, this is a beautiful deck. It's the Six of Cups, and it is a beautiful deck. Wow, I love it. Tells you a little bit about the Six of Cups. Oh my goodness. I love this. This one's looking pretty. Handmade parchment paper. Cool. And it's got little information about that, how you should write some wishes down. That's what it looks like. We've got a Mala bracelet kit. Oh, fancy. And I guess I'm gonna, ooh, I can make it up any way that I want for whatever my intentions are. That's pretty freaking cool. With a card about that. Oh, I love it. It's so funny because I gave my last peacock ore for Christmas, and here I am getting a peacock ore. It found me. Found its way home. There's the information. Let me push this back a little so we can see all of these lovely items. This month is blowing me away so far. Let's see how it goes. We've got a lovely smoky Alessio Quartz. Ooh. Fancy. So that's this one. Labradorite. That's funny, I gave my Labradorite away too. Wow. I literally gave both of these as gifts. My last one of both of these. Oh, I think you saw the beautiful iridescence of this stone. It's really pretty. For Christmas, and they came back. They're meant for me. That's totally awesome. So, Good Vibes Spritz, Palo Santo, lavender, lemon, and peppermint. I wonder if that's what I'm smelling. Oh my god, it smells good. Sand. And a bowl. Cute. That's it. So let's read about it. I like the little bowl. It's so precious. With all that is happening astrologically and seasonally, the intent of this month box is to provide you with the tools you need to be successful in the new year. Everything is centered around helping you achieve your dreams, resolutions, and goals. The smoky Alessio Quartz, the Labradorite, the peacock ore, the natural sand, the unfinished wooden bowl. So that's interesting. It says unfinished wooden bowl. Add the sand to your bowl to enhance your Alessio Quartz. Cool. That's interesting. Mala beads. While putting two bracelets together, we want you to put all of your intentions for the coming year into it. Awesome. Handmade parchment paper. See the included card. So this is all about setting intentions. This has got a good vibe spray. Wow, I love it. This is totally up my alley. This is the vibe that I'm going for. Like moving forward, making changes, you know, keep on going up and better every day. All of this is meant to give you a good start, to get you positive thinking, and I love it. Personally, the stones coming back to me really resonates with me, so I really like that as well. This is, ooh, I forgot to show you guys my, I almost finished without showing you my, oh, they made it easier to get into. Oh, and the book is bigger. So this is the business card. Leo, seek the company of those who align with your values and stand open-heartedly for what you believe. Be the examples for other, Leo. Yes, that's how I live my life. Aquarius, and basically tells you all about the month, day by day, and I really like that. It's nice to have a little forecast. So this is the Magickal Earth. I get their premium box, which is basically $50 a month. It comes every month. This box mainly focuses on astrology and crystals are the biggest things that stand out to me. But you get tons of stuff. It's very nice, put together, themed. I really like it. So check out the description below for links. And as always, give me some comments. Tell me what you think. I love feedback. Also, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. And I will see you very soon. Thank you for watching.